Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw income from Ko-Fi to your US bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw income from Ko-Fi to your US bank, navigate to the payouts section on your dashboard. Choose the withdrawal option that fits your needs. If you haven't set up your payout method yet, click on Set up Payout Method. Select Bank Transfer to receive funds directly into your US bank account. Fill in the required bank details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check this information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Once your bank details are entered, save the changes. Return to the Payouts section to initiate your withdrawal. Click on Withdraw Funds. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Ko-Fi balance. Confirm your withdrawal request after reviewing the transaction. You should receive a confirmation message notifying you of your request. Ko-Fi will process your withdrawal within a few business days. Keep an eye on your bank account for the deposited funds. Check your Ko-Fi account for any updates on your withdrawal status. If you encounter any issues, reach out to Ko-Fi support for assistance. Maintain a record of your transactions for your personal financial management. Following these steps will streamline your withdrawal process from Ko-Fi to your US bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.